How's it going, everyone? I want to go over one of the most trending stocks right now, and that is RIVN. How does it meet my system? Where do I look for an entry? And then where do I go from there, okay? So without further ado, let's get right to the video here. If you guys know my system, you guys understand what I look for when a stock is trending. I want to make sure that we are going into near this ATR for this Keltner channel. This red band here is considered a sell zone. So when price gets close to this area, it is hard to sustain that. Okay, that's why we see sell-offs near these red areas. Okay, as we have this big massive candle, we're up 24% on the day. We have some wiggle room here. So when I'm looking at RIVN, the first thing I notice is we had a downtrend turn to an uptrend. So as you can see, when this EMA 50 is at the very top, you can see this light blue band. Every price is going to get rejected there. It's just big resistance. And then when you have the EMA 50 at the bottom, you start seeing price being supported. So all throughout RIVN here, you see how we have this big upper move here, touching this upper Keltner channel, which I have extreme overextended settings. If you want my settings and all my indicators, I have a separate video for that in my Discord. If you join, it's super affordable. It's like $12 for all my services, and that includes everything. But as you can see, when price touches this, we come falling back down, and what I love the most is my EMA 5 and 10 bounces. And you can see right here on the daily, we hit this EMA 5 and we make a big, massive bull move from all the way here to here, going up 40%, okay? Now, do we know how much it's going to go up? Absolutely not. But I do play these quick bounces of 10% and more, okay? So I take, when I see 10%, I take it, okay? So from here, we make easily 10%, we hit the 5, we keep going up, and we just keep magneted. But do keep in mind, we're going to go to the next level, which is the 10, which is right here. We hit this 10, make a nice bounce. We hit the 20 right here, make another nice bounce. And then you see how everything is in levels. I only play each level once. We come back down to this EMA 50, and we make a nice, bounce, and then you can see the trend is kind of shifting from there. Because once you start seeing this EMA 50 get a bounce and then start rejecting on the 20 and you can't get above it, then it starts to switch the trend. So I love to play the EMA 5 and 10 bounce the most, okay? That's my most favorite. As you can see on this one, we are in an uptrend. I am very bullish on RIVN. I don't see any bear thesis on it as other than, yes, we're getting close to this upper Keltner channel. I'm not saying this is a buy area. I'm not going to buy RIVN here. I'm just making you guys an update on how I'm playing, how I played RIVN and how this has making me lots of money doing this on any type of style of stock. It doesn't matter what it is, pennies, all the way up to bigger cap stocks. This strategy works, guys. So the first thing first is if you pierce the upper band, or if you get really close to it, that means it's a stronger trend. There's more momentum. And so then we look for that pullback opportunity. So for example, here you can see price starts to get above it, but we didn't get quite near this red band for me to take any entries on this EMA 5. But we start to see this blue band, this light blue, which is your EMA 50, and then the EMA 20 come up above. So when I see price get very close to this upper Keltner channel and then price pull back to the EMA 5, that is your entry area for a buy. And you can see from here, you make 16%. We make our 10% that I wanted, in, out, and I rate for the next area. But you want to make sure that if you do buy on the 5, that you do have cash for the 10 and the 20. And that's going to be very important, and it's going to make you very less stressful. Be like, oh, if it goes against me, I just don't care as much because I know the areas of interest that algos look at, okay? So we come back to the 20 and we make a bounce. And we come to 20, make a bounce, 20, make a bounce, get very close to the 50. So my thesis, my thesis is I only play these areas once, right? When you have the 5, the 10, and the 20, you get those quick bounces on each level because there's thousands of stocks and thousands of stocks doing patterns like this. So for me personally, I want to see if we get close to this red band, my Keltner channel. If it does actually penetrate it or get very super close, then I might, yes, I'll probably play that EMA 5 again, okay? Because that's super far above it, and when you see the bands go really spread out is when they get close to this upper Keltner channel. So when they get really spread out, like price is getting way up in here, then you're getting this kind of bull thesis where, trying to break down those levels is kind of hard without getting a bounce, unless there's like some terrible news. And you can kind of see that happening right here, where you have the 5 already curling up again, the 10, the 20, the 50. So we're kind of repeating that process of, this is super bullish. We're up 24%. Now, would I buy it right here? Absolutely not. I would love to see it get way up in here in the $18 range, reject down, come to the 5, and I play those bounce areas. And if you do this, I promise you will be consistently profitable, because you're not FOMOing. You know where algos look to buy. We have yet to hit this EMA 50. So I have no doubt that when price comes to this EMA 50, there's going to be a demand zone there. And you can see also right in here, look at all this support here. Right here is we touched this, we had a bounce, touch this, have it bounced, and then we come back to touch it again and had a bounce. I have no doubt that's a really good support area. And then you can see as each day goes by that EMA 50 is still going to start crawling up. I like this company a lot. I think this is looking really good. I think we're going to, we're having this uptrend. Do keep in mind there is earnings coming up on around February 20th. So we'll see what happens there. Earnings is kind of like a gamble play, so I don't intend to hold through the earnings, but I'm going to keep this on my watch list, guys. I have been very successful doing this kind of strategy, and I'll let you guys know exactly when I look to get in. And if you do want to join the premium Discord, like I said, it's very, very affordable. If you click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit the free chat or hit day trade alerts, my bad. And basically that will give you access to all my alerts, swing trades and day trades, with alerts sent straight to your phone. You'll get notified in real time, within seconds, what trades I take. For example, I took in my day trade alerts, made over $1,000 taking credit spreads, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do that and win over 90% so you can make money every day. And that's my day trades. And then you let your swing trades make money over time, okay? So, and that's the purpose of it. Day trades, you make your money every day, and I have a system that you will make money every day. It's either win or loss, and you'll know exactly how much you will make selling options. So I think you guys are going to really like it. Try the day trade, click day trade alerts, try the day and swing trading plus. You can see the membership tier. If you hit server shop here, it'll be called day and swing trading plus for $12 a month. And that'll get your name in gold. You'll have access to one-on-one coaching, mentorship, pretty much anything you need. And if that's too pricey, well, you can just try the $6 a month for just swing trade alerts only. You won't have access to the day trades. But this is my analysis on RIVN. Let's give this one some time. Let's see this pull back. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put this in my watch list. I'll let you guys know, hey guys, remember that video about RIVN? And I'll be telling, hey, we're just right near on that EMA 5. Algos are looking at it. We're going to take that for a bounce effect area. And that's really what I'm saying here. I love this bullish candle here. We just engulfed all this. This looks extremely bullish until proven otherwise. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. It helps the YouTube channel out. It helps me want to make more videos for you guys. This is a solid strategy that keeping trading simple and easy. Look for this Keltner channel be for a price to get near it. The more closer it gets, the stronger the trend is. Look for the EMA 50 to be at the very bottom, which it is. We haven't touched the EMA 50, so you know that's going to be a very demand zone, but I don't look for anything other than after that. EMA 50 is your last line of support, okay? So if we just depends on how this price reacts. I'll let you guys know in the chat if I just do decide to take it in the Discord, and you'll see exactly swing trade alerts here. You'll see, yo, I got ADTX is moving. We made 10% on that. For example, today we sold Mara for 10%. We had DRCT that we made 10%. This is all within a day or two, making massive money in and out, okay? So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. It's only $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you'll avoid the iOS fee. Do try to do that, and then if you have an Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe, or just use your phone's browser like Google Chrome or Safari. I hope to see you guys there. If not, happy trading, guys. Stay humble, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.